Now, various groups are set to stage protests, actions against corruption amid investigations into alleged irregularities in flood control projects. And now joining us, let's try that again, Ms. Bianca Skyler Lazaro, convener of Rage for Systemic Change. Magandang umaga. Can you hear us okay?
Hello, magandang umaga po.
Ayun.
Naririnig na po ako.
Yes, we can hear you.
Ayan.
Alright, so ano po ba yung
Okay.
significance sa mga protesta na ito na gagawin po ninyo?
Ayan. Yung range kasi, nabuo siya dahil dun sa mga progressive groups and individuals from different cities sa South Manila, which yung Muntinlupa, Las Piñas, and Parañaque. So yung groups dito and yung progressive individuals, no? Katulad ng mga napakilala namin during our launching nung nagkaroon ng press conference last Sunday. Di binuo siya, itong mga individuals and groups na to, para to make a stand, no? Itong network na to aims to show the citizen stance. And yung stand natin doon is against tayo sa corruption. Kaya nga po nagkaroon currently nagkakaroon po tayo ng 1 week long na protest against corruption. And sa pangunguna nga po to ng RAGE, or yung Rage for Accountability, Genuineness, and Empowerment for Systemic Change. So sa bahagi po ng South Manila, yung 3 cities po na nabanggit,
Right.
nagkaroon na nga po siya ng press conference nung linggo. And itong mga susunod na mga araw, magkakaroon din po ulit ng mga kilos protesta. So, kinabukasan, September 18, katulad po ng in-announce ng Piston, magkakaroon po sila ng National Transport Strike, no? Tigil pasada nila. By 5 a.m.,
Sabay na
makakasama
kayo.
po dito,
Sabay na
no?
kayo.
Yung tatlong syudad nito,
Yeah.
yung Muntinlupa, Las Piñas, and Parañaque. Since meron pong mga Piston members po dito, Piston na JODA, and makikiisa po, no, yung various sectors from 3 cities na to, no,
Yeah.
yung mga youth, mga workers natin,
Right.
women natin, makikiisa po sila dito.
Miss
And
Bianca,
then,
oo. The question
Yes po.
here right now is, of course, how are you going to sustain this fight against the corruption ito, yung mga anomalous flood control projects, because a lot of people are saying also na, sige, mainit ngayong discussion na to, pero baka mamaya mag-die down ito, tapos wala na naman na magra-rally. So how are you going to sustain this?
Yung sa bahagi naman po ng RAGE, meron naman pong mga nakalaan na mga tinatawag nating educational discussions. Bukod pa dun sa mga ginagawang kilos protesta araw-araw. So iba po to dun sa ginagawa namin na araw-araw na ayan nga protest, ganyan. Syempre, kalangkap nun, yung educational discussion. Ano pa yung mga kailangan nating malaman? Bakit kailangan nating mag-protest? Bakit
Right.
nating kailangang kailangang mag-protest against ng corruption na to? Ano ba yung nangyayari sa atin? Bakit tayo naghihirap, ganyan? At habang sila ay patuloy lang na kinokorrupt yung buwis natin.
That's right.
So may mga
Bianca, I'd like to ask, no, kasi yung, of course, while we understand yung general message is against corruption ng group nyo, but your group mismo, ano po ang, in other words, specific message? Kasi doon kayo nagkakaiba yung mga sa pupunta sa rally, lahat kayo are unified under our no corruption. Pero I've seen several groups blaming the current administration na nag-escalate ang corruption during this time. Some are saying na the Duterte time, some are saying the Aquino time. But sa inyo specifically, ano yung deeper message? Yes, audio. Bianca, audio.
We can't hear you again. Sayang. All right, we'll try to fix that again.
Ayun,
Okay, alright,
nawala ba?
nawala
Sayang,
siya.
maganda
Oo.
yung sasabihin ni Bianca.
So again, that was
Bianca
Miss
Skyler
Bianca, Skyler,
Lazaro.
convener of Rage for Systemic Change. ilan lang po sila sa mga grupo na magra-rally sa September 21.
I like their name, Rage.
Oo.
Because talagang rage
Against
oh,
corruption.
Rage against corruption is the term.
But of
Boiling
course,
point.
gusto pa rin natin maging peaceful, di ba?
Oh, I mean, wag naman parang
Ang
Nepal
Pilipinas naman ay known for yung mga peaceful revolution.
That's why EDSA happened. Isipin mo 20 years under no elections under the former President Marcos Sr. Bago nagkaroon ng 22 years bago nagkaroon ng EDSA revolution. In other words, matagal magtimpi ang Pinoy pero pag nagalit ang Pinoy, rage against corruption.
Alright, so
Wala
that's
na, wala ba?
on September 21
September
along
21.
with other groups as well.
Sayang kasi I wanted to ask kung ano yung deeper message Kasi doon nagkakatalo yung iba-ibang grupo Yung iba are saying, nangyayari to under PBBM
Just make sure lang hindi magagamit itong mga grupo na
Oo.
to ng mga, alam mo yon, ng mga political heads that have political agenda.
Basta malinaw, corruption ang pinag-uusapan.
Yes.
Yun ang message natin. And we should stand guard against corruption. Yun ang mensahe nila. At wag sana pasukan ng political colors for the election.
Exactly. So,
Alright.
thank you so much kay Ms. Bianca
Sayang.
Skyler Lazaro, convener of Rage for Systemic Change.
We hope to have her back again.